When traveling with pets in Europe, the first step is understanding the requirements for entry into your destination. Most countries require a microchip, an updated rabies vaccination, and an EU pet passport or equivalent documentation. Research the specific rules for the country you're visiting as they can vary. If flying, choose pet-friendly airlines that prioritize your pet's safety and comfort. Many airlines allow small pets to travel in the cabin, provided they're in an airline-approved carrier. For larger pets, confirm the airline's cargo policies. Arrive early, ensure your pet is hydrated, and avoid feeding them a heavy meal right before the flight. Accommodation is crucial when planning how to travel Europe with pets. Many pet-friendly hotels in Europe cater specifically to pet owners, offering amenities like pet beds and bowls. Check reviews and call ahead to confirm their policies. Train travel with pets in Europe is often convenient and stress-free. Most European train operators allow small pets to travel for free or for a nominal fee, while larger dogs may require a ticket and a leash. Always carry a muzzle as some trains mandate it. Certain destinations stand out for their pet friendliness. Germany, France, and the Netherlands offer numerous parks, dog-friendly cafes, and walking trails. Italy is also renowned for its welcoming attitude toward pets, particularly in restaurants and public spaces. Pack essentials like food, water, a portable bowl leash, collar, waste bags, a first aid kit, and any required medications. For longer trips, bring a favorite toy or blanket to comfort your pet. Traveling with dogs in Europe or any pet requires preparation, but the memories you'll create together are worth it. Follow these pet-friendly travel tips Europe and embark on an adventure you both will cherish.